Tired of seeing more error messages than actual TV on your YouTube TV? Let's fix that. First things first, let's tackle the most common culprit: your internet connection. Run a quick speed test on your phone or computer ideally. You want speeds of at least 5 Mbps for standard definition and 25 megabits per second for HD streaming. If your speeds are low, try restarting your router and modem. Unplug them both. Wait about 30 seconds. Plug the modem back in first. Wait for it to fully connect. Then plug the router back in. Still having trouble? Next, make sure your YouTube TV app is up to date. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for YouTube TV. And if there's an update button, tap it. Sometimes, the app itself can get a little glitchy. Try clearing the app cache. Go to your device's settings, then Apps, find YouTube TV, then tap Storage, and finally, clear cache. If clearing the cache doesn't work, you can also try clearing the app data. Just keep in mind that this will log you out of the app, so you'll need to sign back in. Still no luck? Your device itself might be the issue. Try restarting your streaming device, whether it's a Roku, Chromecast, or Smart TV. If you're using a web browser, make sure it's also updated to the latest version. Finally, ensure that your device meets the minimum system requirements for YouTube TV. Older devices may struggle with the latest updates. If all else fails, contact YouTube TV support. They may have specific solutions for your situation. And that's it. Hopefully, these tips have helped you get back to uninterrupted streaming. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.